That's what them fucking characters are. The lion, the Tin Man, and the Scarecrow. The lion represents your lower animal self. Tin Man represents your heart. And the Scarecrow represents your brain or your thinking. 3 aspects of yourself. And it's all ego that needs to be appeased. That's why when they get to the Wizard of Oz, all he does is just give them the bullshit that says what they are. You want courage? Here's a heart medal. Here's a medal. You got courage. You want a heart? Here's a fucking watch that looks like a heart. Just put it in your chest. Now you got a heart. Want a brain? Here's a fucking degree. Now you're smart. Same with these niggas walking around here thinking they smart because they went to college.
The physical brain is the enemy, and humanity is the enemy. And up under the physical brain is the primal world, which is the pineal gland.